Good morning, friends, and today we are going to study about highest common factor. Highest common factor. So, the highest common factor of two or more numbers is the highest of their common factor. So, first of all, if you don't know how to find factor, you have to study by watching previous video. And if you don't know how to calculate or how to find common factor, then also you have to go back and study the previous video, then only you will understand this. And this video is related to highest common factor. So we have already studied how to find common factor. So the highest common factor means we already discussed how to find factors and how to find common factors, and the highest among them is called highest common factor or HCF. And also this is called GCD. There is one more name for highest common factor, that is GCD, greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. So this is also another name of highest common factor. Highest common factor is also known as HCF. So for small numbers we have an easy method to find common factors separately. For example, we have to find the highest common factor of 20 and 30. So as I said, we have to find, first look at these words, highest common factor. First we have to find factor. So I am finding factors. If you don't know how to find factor, you have to go to previous video. So factors of 20 I found. Factors of 20 are 1 into 20, 2 into 10 and 4 into 5. So this 20 can be expressed as 1 into 20, 2 into 10 and 4 into 5. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So the factors of 20 are ready now, and factors of 30. So 1 into 30 I can write as 30. So 2 into 15 also right, 3 into 10 or 5 into 6. All are 30s. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So the factors are ready. Now I have to find common factor. Common among them. So which are the numbers comes in? 1, 2 are common here, and also 5, 10. So 1, 2, 5 and 10 are common. 1, 2, 5 and 10 are common. So the factors and the common factors are ready. So the common factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10, and the highest common is 10. The highest common factor is 10. So the highest common factor is 10. So we found the highest common factor. So this is an easy method and for simple calculation. But for higher calculation, we need to find highest common factor using prime factorization. That is a technique we used. So we will come to it after discussing this problem. Similarly, we have to find the highest common factor of 15 and 25. So we have to find highest common factor. For the first step is finding the factors. So I found the factors of 15 and 25, that are 1, 3, 5 and 15, and factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Then I have to look for the common elements. So the common elements are 1 and 5. So common elements are 1 and 5. So I found factor and common factor. Then highest common factor. So the highest among these is 5. Highest among the common factor is 5. So the common factor are 1 and 5. The highest common factor is 5. This is how you have to find highest common factor using simple method. And now we are going to study how to find it professionally, means how to find it through prime factorization. So look at this. Here we have to find the highest common factor of three numbers, 20, 28 and 36. Here we have 20, 28 and 36. So I have to prime factorize three numbers. I have to prime factorize 20, I have to prime factorize 28 and I have to prime factorize 36. I have to prime factorize these three things. So the 20 is factorized. So for factorizing 20, I have to divide with 2, then also 2, then 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. 20 I can write it as 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, this is the first step, and then you have to prime factorize 28. If you don't know how to prime factorize, you have to watch previous video. So these videos are connected, so you will not understand this video until you have learned the previous things. So 28 during prime factorization, I will get this 2 into 2 into 7. This is the prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 7, 28, and then 36. Here I prime factorized this. 36 by 2 is 18, 18 by 2 is equal to 9, 9 by 3. Since 9 is an odd number, also multiple of 3, I have to divide it by 3. So the answer is 3, 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So like this I have to prime factorize. And while prime factorizing, I will get the answer 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So I prime factorized this 3 number. That is the first step. 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 7, and 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we have to mark the common elements. Here 2 is common. Also another 2 is common. So 2 into 2 is common. So I can write the common factor as 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So the common factors we found through prime factorization. So this is the technique you have to use. Since 2 is occurring twice, you have to find the, you have to write 2 into 2, because only 2 is common here, no other elements are common. Here only 5, no 5 in other two numbers, only 7 here, and only 3 and 3. This 3 is not in here or here, so these are not common. Only common elements are 2 and 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4 is the answer. Then I will show one more example. And we have already discussed the highest common factor of 20 and 30. Now I am going to find the common factors using prime factorization. For 20, I have to prime factorize. I have to divide it into prime number. So the answer will be 20. I can write it as 2 into 2 into 5. Also 30. 30 I can write it as, if I divide it into 3 and then 5. So 30 is equal to, after prime factorization we can write it as 2 into 3 into 5. Now look for the common elements. Here we have 2 and here we have 5. 5, 2 and 5 are common. So the highest common factor is 2 into 5, which is equal to 10. So the highest common factor, you have to write like this: highest common factor of 20 and 30 is equal to 10. This is the method you have to write. Then you do yourself finding the answers for the following using prime factorization. Using prime factorization, you have to find the answers for the following. And I suggest all of you to finish your homework within the time. And some of you are escaping from homeworks and notes, I know. I will not allow this. You have to submit your homework on time. And do this homework and submit by today itself. Thank you.